Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best robot vacuums. After doing research, I found these robot vacuums that are truly the best on the market right now, and I've embedded links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Neato Robotics 945-0211 Neato BotVac D3 Connected. While it might seem like a lot, for robots, $400 seems to be the differentiating line between the devices competing on value and the rest. My top recommendation right now is definitely the BotVac D3, and here's why. Currently the cheapest robot with Wi-Fi app control, very recent cleaning technology without the premium price, self-charging and can resume where it left off, multi-room navigation ideal for up to 1,800 square feet. iRobot Roomba 650 Automatic Robot Vacuum. Once you get into the budget range, the cheaper robots tend to be very much hit or miss. Don't necessarily be swayed by cheap prices. This is why I prefer to go with a tried and true option at this price point, namely the refurbished Roomba 650. They can usually be had for about $300, sometimes a bit over. It's kind of like buying a pre-owned high-end car. Lots of cost savings if you don't mind that it isn't brand new. Here's why I like the 650. Automatic scheduling, cheapest Roomba with this option. Reliable brand name, iRobot is the industry leader. Excellent market for replacement secondary parts, better than any of the other competition. Smart boundary control. Virtual walls, extendable if you need more. iLife A4 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Titanium Gray. The big surprise contenders in the budget market over the past year have been, by far, the iLife series. For years, the best we could expect from Chinese imports was cheap knockoffs of the Roomba. While the iLife series certainly leverages things that work, they're one of the few sub-$300 robots that I have tested that actually perform to an acceptable standard. The iLife A4 is a very solid offering, albeit without the high-end features. Surprisingly decent navigation for not having any boundary control, programmable schedule, just like the higher-end tier offerings, really good runtime, about 150 minutes of battery capacity, and a low profile, good for getting under furniture.